Okay, so with most robotics challenges, most people have a acrylic siding on their robot. Now I'm going to show you how to create this siding using just a standard piece of acrylic like this, and then if you have it marked off, there are a variety of tools you can use, but I have one in particular that I like to use, which is a butane torch. With a hot knife setting. Now this is nice because it's quick, easy, and then all I have to worry about is just the butane. And another thing you can use is being a Dremel, or I wouldn't suggest it all too much, but you could use a bandsaw or something like that. And easy lighting, you can have, this is a easy lighting one with the electronic, and whenever you do this, you do have to wait for the tip to heat up. Now granted, most of the time you would do this on a stone table or a concrete floor or something, but I have found that it is safe, now not suggested, to use this on paper. I don't know why, or why it wouldn't burst into flames, but typically you can just, or once it's heated up, you can just do this, where it cuts nice and smoothly into it, and once it's in, you can just start cutting, and now see how it cuts right through it. Now, you could go the whole distance, which I will just end it, and it looks like I'm just about out of butane, but I'll finish that little chunk off. And now, let's say you have a rough edge like this. Now, if it's some material, you can just get a pair of pliers and just pop this stuff right off. As I can just do it with my fingers. And now the next issue is, does it have sharp siding? The convenience about this tool is I can switch it over to pin torch, along with, you can use a standard lighter, but it will take a little bit longer than that. And you can just melt down the edges some. Be careful not to burn it, and that will smooth out your edges. Now next is, one of our next issues is that we found in prior seasons and things before, is that static discharge, which we will talk about it in another video. But this is one of the materials that you want to cover with with copper taping or another type of metal tape, and just do that and cover it up like that so it has a little bit of covering. You don't have to cover up the whole entire edge. Thank you for watching.